Alright guys, here's box 4, as you can see. A bunch of cards, but whatever. We got a jersey card of Bruce Davis, number 23 out of 25. So that's not too bad. Got a Rashad Mendenhall autograph. Really kind of weak auto, but whatever. Out of 79, so that's not too bad of a card. Then last two we got is a Brandon Jacobs jersey card. I don't know if that's numbered. Out of 299, and then a Indarius Bowman. Hope I get his name right there. Out of 999. So we're on to box number 5. Hope we do a little better than that one.